Hey everyone, we're back on the Cayman Jewel after Hurricane Irma. Let's just say we dodged a huge bullet. We got very lucky. Came through here about a Cat 2. Haven't opened up the boat yet. Saved that for you guys. But hatch is still taped up pretty well. She's a mess. but there's no water inside. There's no water inside. Down below, we just checked that out. Down below looks 100 times better than I thought it was going to be. I mean, obviously it leaked. It's an old boat. It is what it is, but it didn't leak anywhere near as bad as I thought it was going to. I don't even have any water in the bilges, so that's awesome. Taping off this hatch. The hatch always leaks, but taping it off, we didn't have any problems. Almost lost the solar panel, but luckily I put the straps on it, and that kept it from going too far. Back in place. My table's even still in place. Amazing, it's a lot looser than it was, but it's still here. My storage box is even still here. That's amazing to me. With all the bouncing around that this thing had to endure, it's still here. And I gotta tell you, the one thing that is the most crazy thing in the world to me, right over here. My pile of teak is still neatly stacked right here on the edge. I can't believe that. All the rocking around this thing had to take, it's still sitting there. So, Cayman Jewel did good. She's a good girl. She took care of us. Alright, the big question now is, how did these lines do? These lines look like there was never even a storm. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. That is so awesome. So blessed. That's great. Well, that was definitely one hell of a good practice run for the future. It's the first time I ever had to do this on a boat, prep for a storm like this, so I know what's worked, I know what didn't work. But my lines are still good, so I got lucky. So thank you all to those of you that sent out your best wishes to me and everything, to the girls, prayers. I've had people texting me all weekend, you know, making sure we're okay, and I really appreciate that. That's what we do as boaters. We take care of each other, and yeah, she's good to go, and we're gonna make this dream happen. Thanks everyone.